Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming your Vivo supports a dedicated notification light. Some models use screen pulse or always-on display instead. Once confirmed, open Settings, tap Notifications, then choose Notification Light or Light Effects. This is the control hub. You need battery saver off so color tests apply immediately, otherwise Android restricts background changes. Tap to enter the light configuration. You are now at the first actionable screen where you can assign colors per app or global behavior. So proceed to adjust the color palette. You now pick whether to assign colors per app or use a global notification color. Tap an app in the list, then choose from the preset palette, or if your Vivo UI allows, enter a custom hex value for precise hue. Once selected, test by sending a sample notification. This verifies both color and behavior. If the light seems dim or too brief, tweak brightness and duration sliders. These govern visibility and how long the color shows, which matters in bright daylight versus low light. Finish by saving your changes and observing real notifications. If colors don't apply immediately, reboot the phone to refresh system services. Make sure the target app isn't battery optimized or blocked from background activity, because that can prevent the color trigger. If your Vivo model lacks a hardware LED, use the built-in screen pulse/always-on display option or an approved third-party app as a workaround. Troubleshooting tip: if nothing works, reset notification preferences for the app and
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.